Hi friends, welcome to my channel. My name's Joanne and this is To Crochet Curious. Well, today I am going to talk about some books that I got and one yarn pack that I got. But I did want to point out my Dollar Tree, those trays that I got. Was able to put a bunch of the roundish balls of yarn in there. So that was helpful. Probably get some more of those at some point. So I had a bunch of Amazon gift certificates that I had been gifted from work over the course of quite a long time, and I just never had done anything with them. And so I decided to go on a crochet book haul and got a few things, but I did notice that this was on sale, so I got it. I've been seeing this on like Mary Maxim and such for $19.99, but it was on sale on Amazon for $15 and some change, so I got it. And it is 12 colors of Red Heart Super Saver in a craft pack, and it's 109 yards per. So what's that? 11, let's see, 12 times 109 is 1116 yards. And in a rainbow of colors. And so I thought, I am going to make a bunch of individually colored squares and then sew them together with a neutral color and make a little blanket. Excuse me. Make some kind of little blanket out of it. Small squares, right? And yeah, I don't know why I'm yawning, because I'm on vacation, so I'm getting plenty of rest. So anyway, I do like the colors, but I did want to see just how big are those skeins, because the regular price is $24.99, and it's like, for that I would not pay $24.99. They're cute, but they're not that cute. So for $15 and some change and using a gift certificate, that was a deal I could live with. So I did want to pull this out, and this is nice. I'll probably use this as my screenshot. Oh, if I could get a decent picture of it. I'll take a picture of it. I can't get a non-shiny. I'll try taking a picture of it. But yeah, that looks pretty cool. So anyway, I'll do something with that at some point. It's on my list of many, many things. But I did want to show off my books that I got, and I have kind of a thing about wire-bound books or spiral-bound books. I love them because they lay flat. So part of my gift certificate money, I had quite a bit, I decided to buy a binding machine so that I could take some of my smaller books and turn them into a spiral bound book that will lay flat when I'm trying to use it. So I thought that would be useful at some point. Yes, I'm about to leave town, so I'm not going to get any of that done before I leave. So I got this book, Crochet Bags. I think I have every other one in this series by from Publications International. They have a whole bunch of little ones that on different topics with a bunch of patterns. Oh my goodness, here we go, Joanne. So this is one of them, and when I was young, I used to spend hours going through recipe books and reading recipes and thinking about what would that make and how would that taste and things like that. And now I do it with crochet books. So here is another one I got. I've eyed this one before. Tapestry crochet. I have a book about tapestry crochet over there, and it's way above my skill level at this point, but I am going to maybe next year. That's one of the methods that I can concentrate on. Right now, with everything my mom's going through, I can't imagine learning a skill like that, but you know, there's my future will be a little less complicated, and we'll go with that. This one is Colorful Oahu Bags, and it's written by a Danish woman, Rianne de Graaf, and she has taken a style from a tribe, which I can't remember where the tribe is. But it does say it in here somewhere. I read it. They're called Wayuu Mochilas, and she originally saw them on Pinterest. Oh, they're from Colombia, the Wayuu people. And the workmanship, the patterns and designs are just gorgeous, and she shows how to do all of these type of motifs and also get the bottom of the bag with a unique kind of a design flavor to it. There's just really some beautiful things in here. There's a bag, and the bottom of it looks like that. She has a couple simpler ones. Here's one that shows the bag and the bottom. And she also shows how to weave and make these type straps, which I thought was interesting. And it's got a lot of pictures explaining how to make these different type of straps. So, you know, there's a lot in the world I don't know how to do. This is only the beginning. So, tapestry crochet is on my mind. And so I got a few things having to do with that. These are mosaic designs. Clever crochet squares. This one's by Maria Goldberg. Artistic ways to create grannies and dramatic mosaic designs. Here's some of the projects. And then I got a dictionary of motifs called Hooktionary. It says the Hooktionary, a crochet dictionary of 150 modern tapestry crochet motifs. And so yeah, there's a bunch of them in there. All different flavors. Here she's wearing a sweater with jackalopes on it. So, yeah, this is something I definitely want to learn how to do, and there is a lot in there. So, so this one, those were my books that I got. And, oh, I knew there was 4 of them. Here's the other one. Crochet bags. I think I might have a few more coming in a day or two. I'm not sure. On Amazon. I'll have to look. So, I definitely, you know, I don't do tapestry, but I would like to. I would like to learn how to make my bird kits. I would like to, there's so many things I want to learn, but wow, my bandwidth just isn't there. So, I did start another project. Of course, when I go to my mom's, the only thing I'll be working on, I think, is elfin squares, because I have to get those done. But I did start a little blankie. This is a bunch of my Hobie Black Friday yarn that I had left in different colors. Multiple shades of blue, red, and white, and I may even have some gray somewhere. I guess I should look for that. And I'm just gonna stripe up until I run out of yarn, and then the blanket will be done. I have 8, 12, I think I have 12 or 16. So maybe I won't use it all. I don't know. We'll see how big it gets. And yeah, I'm just randomly doing a bright stripe next to a different color, you know. So like the next thing I'm going to do is put a single row stripe of this light blue. And then I'm going to start with the dark blue again, and probably repeat the color scheme. And just go until I'm done. That's what I've got. So it's double this width, and that's how much I have done just in 2 days. I worked on it a little here and there. Very simple. Half double crochet, 6.5 millimeter hook, 4-weight yarn. Simple, simple, simple. And that's all I can wrap my head around when it's just crazy busy and I have a lot going on. So when I crochet at the end of the evening at my mom's, I will be doing some simple squares for the Elfin Squares swap. And I'm going to put link information to that down below. As a refresher, and because I have some new subscribers, I will show you my Elfin Squares that I have here. I have this one. This one, which needs to be blocked badly. This one. This one. This one. This one. Here's my crazy sweater, or ugly sweater, ugly Christmas sweater. And this one. And this one. And what it is, it's a swap of 8-inch squares and all acrylics. And there are 40 participants. And so 20 people will get 2 squares each from me, plus I make 2 for myself. So I'm going to send 2 squares to 19 people. They're going to send me 2 squares, each one of them. So I get a total of 40 squares to make a blanket out of, and so do they. And this is being done by Dana's Wanderlust Crochet. It's being sponsored by, and I will put all the information in the description box. I am getting back on board. I have been missing on this. Sorry about that. And I will try to keep updates coming. So I have these done. I have probably, I don't know, maybe 6 or 8 more at my mom's. 6, 7, 8, 9. I think I have at least 6. So that would be 15, and I have to make a total of 40. So still got a ways to go. But I have plenty of yarn for that, and it'll be fine. So there. So this is going to stay here, and then the other is already at my mom's. I'll be working on it over there. So okay, that is my book haul and my little Red Heart Super Saver kit. And I think that is it for now. So you have a wonderful day, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye.